My name is Manuel. I'll be your tour guide for today.
Okay.
So this is an amphitheater. This is a host movie night every Friday for in-house guests. Like you're an in-house guest, just set it up for you. Mats, pillows, and duvets.
Wow.
With complimentary popcorn. You can watch a movie here and any movie of your choice.
Wow.
And if you're an in-house guest, you want a private movie, pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so they use it.
Like for us to have a private movie.
Just at night, you just come to the reception, say you want a movie night, private movie night, and say stuff for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can use it for photo shoots.
Yeah.
You can use it to do a music video, so it's up to you. But the concept and design is like the American Palace. How Cannon Palace look like, same concept, same color, how spacious it is, the windows and like, so instead of going to Cannon, you can have a little experience here.
Yeah.
So we like to take
nice.
pictures. Or should move to this table. We'll see the
Picture time. Let's go.
So you can see this is our stable. This is how we go for horse riding. So if you pay, you want to go for horse riding, these are to saddle the horses for you. Just do your thing, they will take it to the paddock. But now they are going for a farm trail. I will take you around the farm. The farm is about 40 acres. So the horse is taking you around. So you have to see some places, the mountains, some animals. So you just be using the horse ride, the horse going around the farm like an experience. It's really nice. So horses are from, so these are our stable. We have about 40 horses on the farm.
Wow.
We have the riding horses, we have the polo horses.
Wow.
Yeah, these ones are the riding horses. You want to go for, like you guys said about going for horses.
Yeah.
So horses are from Argentina, and why we chose Argentine breeds because they're actually friendly and easily manipulated. You can feel when you're scared, when you're tense, when you're cool. So when you want to go,
touch?
Yeah, you can. You don't? No. You can see this Argo. That's his name.
Argo.
Argo, yeah, it's Argo.
Argo. Maybe come and touch Argo. Wow.
Argo. So my little advice I'll give when you are already going on a horse ride, be bold, so they won't like take advantage of you. You can see these are our dogs.
Maybe look at quack.
And the dog
So
Yeah, I'm moving to the ostrich.
okay. Like this your horse right now.
Yeah.
The 5,000 is per person.
Yes.
Two people cannot ride on it.
No, we don't do that because if you fall, it's very bad. The injury is very serious. Yes.
That's right now. But if I and my son want to enter,
You have ponies. So ponies are for kids, horses are for adults.
that one is for how much?
That one is 35.
But I love
both of them.
No,
just
him.
Just him.
Like we'll take 2 horse and pony.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's
What if
the
we
one-
want to? Okay, after
Those are
the
the polo
tour.
horses.
After the tour now,
Yeah.
we can
Yes.
go on the ride.
Yes, you can go on the ride.
Or while doing the tour, we should go on the ride.
I won't like advise because all of us like can see
Yeah,
we are working together. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 2, 5 pony. And the stable guys will have to go on their own horse.
Okay.
Yes. So you can see these are our ostrich. The
Yeah.
black is the male, while the ash is the female.
Oh, okay.
They give birth. We are like 3 weeks ago. They give birth to their eggs.
Wow.
The eggs too is big.
Wow.
They have a big egg.
Then these horses here, they are
Those
not
are
for tour.
ponies. This one,
Yeah.
these ones are. These are the ponies I was talking about.
Okay.
Yeah, from Scotland. But then goes. These are the ostrich. The black is the male, while the ash is the female. I said that.
Yeah.
So they are really fast. They can run 60 km/h.
Wow.
Yeah. Like really fast. So if they are chasing you, just find a way to ride because they actually catch up to you.
Oh.
Like really fast. And they eat stones to digest their food.
Stone.
They eat stones.
Yes. To digest their food.
Straight.
Yes, ostrich.
But they're harmless.
They're aggressive.
Very aggressive.
You don't mess with their eggs.
I know.
Don't
Because from
mess
the
with their
movie, you don't
eggs.
mess with it's, what's that movie? The Gospel.
Because was crazy.
Yeah.
And they have a lifespan of 30 years to 40 years.
Wow.
So how old are these ones?
So once they're in their, let's say, they're like 17.
Oh.
And this
Let's see how it goes.
Wow.
Let's go to
And
the
their
pony.
legs is very,
Very big.
very big.
Imagine that kind of leg chasing me.
Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, we are at Ahmed's farm and we are doing some tour. Come with us, come with us, come with us. So this is a stable of ponies, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they have their own name.
Yes.
Yes.
They're ponies.
This one is beautiful.
Yes. These are the ponies. Our ponies are from Scotland. They're Scotland breeds. Some are friendly. They're for kids and they're quite intelligent too also.
Wow.
Yes. They have a lifespan to 30 years too also.
Like how old is this one?
Some being is 13 and the say 14.
You can't use that.
No, they are called the dwarf horses. They can't grow more than this. So
Oh,
that's why they're for kids.
wow.
Here's the one. Can touch.
Let me come and touch.
No.
Come and touch. Wow.
Ah, there you go, to man. Yeah.
Wow. Come and touch.
Come now. It doesn't bite. It doesn't bite.
Come and give me high five.
Bite.
High five. Come and climb on it. That's the problem now.
So I'm going to the petting zoo. I see one pony there. Cut her hair. Yeah.
It looks like this one. We are at Ahmed's farm. We just went for a few tours now. The first one, we are at the stable where we have the horse named Algo. The horse is a friendly one. It has a lifespan of 40 years and he has lived for some time now. Then we went down to the ostrich stable. We had like 3 ostrich there. The black one is the male, while the ash one is the female. They have lifespan of 30 years and I think they've lived for 13 years, right?
Yeah.
And he said they can run 60 kilometers. They are very, very fast. Wow. So if they are coming, just run. So we also have,
Play with their
no, they don't play with their eggs. Yeah. Then we went to another stable of the pony. They're from Scotland and they don't grow more than that height. They are called the dwarf horses. So horses to get dwarf, not really human being. So they are mostly for kids. They are friendly and they are very intelligent. So follow us more for more adventures.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sophia.
They're going for horse
Sophia.
ride. Ah.
But that is Sophia now. He's used to her, that's why he's...
Run.
Those are peacocks.
The peacock.
Yes, it make those kind of weird noise.
Peacock is dead.
Yes.
Peacock is dead.
Yes, baby, come. Be careful. Come.
So you can see Hakuna Matata.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. So is this, what kind of
So this
duck
is
is this?
This is the swan.
Okay, a swan.
Yes, you mostly see a white swan, but we have a black swan. So
Oh,
these are the birds that they form love when they are two. Like they have a
okay.
love, hearts
Like
symbol.
like
Yes,
this.
Yes, it's a love.
Wow.
Until you eat.
Melvin. Okay.
Me.
Yes, he's looking at you.
So these are bad boys.
What's bad?
They're not close by, they're under the tree.
What's bad boys?
Crocodiles.
Yeah.
You want to see? Come and see.
So how can we get them now?
That's the issue.
Okay, they are
now.
there.
They are under the tree. I see under the tree. These guys are there. See, they have soldiers color. This camel color.
Yeah. I've seen one there.
I wish they were close by.
Wow.
So this is our playground. This is our playground. This is where you play your beach volleyball, badminton, so on and so forth.
They become no, we're not
There's a
streaming.
U-turn. Yes, these are called goose. I mean geese.
Okay.
The two new people pronounce it. Some people call it geese. Some people call it goose.
Okay, goose. Yes. It's mostly seen in matchbox.
Yeah.
Look at Mary's leg.
So over here, they all play polo. That's our polo field.
Polo field. Melvin, come. Wow, come and see.
So these are plantations.
I beg. Melvin, come.
Hey, big boy, come. Thank you. This way. These are plantations. Over there is the polo field. We all play polo.
Okay.
You can say, but this is the natural lake. That is the artificial lake. We made that. But this one is from God. Yeah. When it's rainy season now, everywhere will be. The farm is always green. Like, I see the beauty when you come rainy season. As I get to see the beauty of the farm.
Yeah.
Man, they come in everywhere green, nothing like brown.
You will not see quack again.
So we play golf too on the farm.
No,
I have about 9 holes.
You talked about it yesterday, baby.
No man, I thought you did that.
You're welcome to the farm.
He's even choking it, dipping his leg inside.
Stop that.
So
What's
this
that?
is our fishes. God, you've seen us now. They went to hide
What's that?
fishes.
Catfish.
Tilapia. Then we saw them. Then they went to hide together, dance around the fire.
Okay, bonfire every Saturday night.
Yes.
I'll come and lodge one Saturday.
They'll play golf.
I'm tired.
But we'll do camp too. This is where you set your tent. Give you a tent to pitch. Pinch your tent. You sleep here. Anything you want to do, you do it there. You sleep outside.
Special day for that.
It depends on the day. Yes, you do have a special day, but when you're up to 9, we'll give you 9, 10. That's when we're like advice for that.
So what if we come and they are not up to like 9? So what do you do?
Oh man, I already had
What?
something come for all.
So this is where we set our cabana setup. Let's see if I can see cabana on our Instagram page. Yes, this is a cabana setup.
Wow, look at this.
Okay.
You can actually do your thing there.
So if you want to do this kind of setup,
Yes, this is what they do. You just give us 1 week notice.
okay.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
It's like there's something in his body.
Sorry.
So how much does it cost?
And you just negotiate with the intercontinental restaurant.
You tell us how much does it cost. You should know now.
Yeah, like they give you a menu, depends on what you want. What you want, yeah, what you want. Yeah.
To do this kind of setup.
Yes, this is what they do. You just give us 1 week notice.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
It's like there's something in his body.
Sorry.
So how much does it cost?
And you just negotiate with the intercontinental restaurant.
You tell us how much does it cost. You should know now.
Yeah, like they give you a menu, depends on what you want. What you want, yeah, what you want. Wow, the peacock.
Wow. So beautiful.
His glory.
Wow. Let me come. You want to pee?
No.
Yeah.
Where yesterday?
Okay. Is that the same? Hungry.
Yeah. There? Let's stay there. It's up to you.
Are you planning on placing the order now? I was planning on showing you where the fish is at and
Let's place that we're preparing it.
yeah.
Why
Yeah. Look at their tail.
Okay, we'll go for coconut rice.
Yeah.
Melvin.
One is out.
Wow. The fishes are beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're hiding.
Trying to shake the water. Just catch you.
Yeah. Look at duck. Okay, these are smaller ones.
Yes, that's one.
Yeah.
So this is the odds.
Yes, accommodation. Let me see where
This odds that is 68,000 per night.
63.
Okay.
The one for 63 is that I don't have the keys now, but let me show you the executive suite.
Okay.
One that costs 148.
Share case.
The benefits that come to
Oh, okay.
Time of your life. Okay. I think this is the executive.
So this is called the executive suite.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
You haven't stopped.
You have a washing machine. You have your fridge. You have your microwave. You can cook too also.
Melvin's our
You
tour
have
guide
the
now.
dining. Yeah, and there's a restroom. And the restroom comes. I think this one is not working. The one inside. There's a restroom. So this is a room. It's not for the duvet. But there's the duvet. This is your bed sheet. That is the wardrobe.
Wow. So
That's
this
it.
room is 145,000 per night.
Yes.
Wow. It's nice. It's
Give me
nice.
that village setting.
Very settings, yeah.
And some people don't have the opportunity to see this.
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
this painting.
Yeah, the painting is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
And the chair, you can turn it to a bed.
Oh, you can turn it to a bed.
Yes, you can actually crash like this and this.
Yeah. And share, you can turn it to a bed.
Wow, that's if you have.
Yeah.
This way.
Sorry, your hand.
Okay, this is the balcony.
Here's the balcony.
Wow.
Don't worry, trust me. We are coming back.
There's the balcony.
Wow. This is really nice.
I will never forget seeing that nice.
Yeah.
These lanterns, the way the walkway will look at night is like really nice.
Wow. Melvin, no.
Thank
no.
you, good boy.
Let's go. Wow.
Thank you.
Mr. Ima, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
We are done with our tour and we are presently at the executive.
I'm coming.
It's really giving that local village setting. Yeah. So you don't have to go to the village to feel the vibe. We have it here in Amart Farms at Kuje. So everything you need in this place, like to feel at home, is here.
This is the best tourist attraction you could ever find.
Yeah. So you can come with your spouse. You can come
Girlfriend.
with your girlfriend.
With your
You
side
can come
chick.
no side chick. You can come with everybody, with family. Trust me, you have a nice time. We've seen a lot of beautiful places here. And this place is quite big. And trust me, it will be more lovely at night. Like, I can even imagine it. The lightning and everything. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you.